Hello everyone, my name is Samruddhi Milgiri. Today we are going to learn about what is De Moivre's theorem. The definition is for any positive real number n one of the values of complex number is cos theta plus I sin theta raised to n equal to cos of n theta plus I times sin of n theta. In simple terms, De Moivre's theorem provides a formula for raising a complex number in polar form to a power. If you have a complex number in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta, then raising it to the power of n, where n is positive real number, is equal to cos of n theta plus I times sin of n theta. So next is steps for finding the De Moivre's roots. First is find mod of z and then argument of z, which means theta. Second is express given complex number in polar form, that is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Then put it into formula r of cos of n 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta. Third step is then apply De Moivre's theorem, and fourth is calculate roots for different values of pi of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let's see one example. To find all values of I raised to 1 by 4. So first step is find mod of z. So z is 1. Then calculate theta. We always calculate theta by tan inverse of b by a. Here b is 1 and a is 0 and its value is pi by 2. Then put in the form of r into cos theta plus I sin theta, which means then here it comes 1 into cos of pi by 2 plus I times sin of pi by 2, and again it put in form of r of cos of 2n pi plus theta plus I times sin of 2n pi plus theta. Here theta's value is pi by 2, where k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now apply De Moivre's theorem. Z equal to cos of 2k pi plus pi by 2 plus I times sin of 2k pi plus pi by 2 raised to 1 by 4. In this step, the power is come in multiplication with denominator. By cancelling this step, we get zk equal to cos of k by 2 plus pi by 8 plus I times sin of k pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Now put the values of k equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. First k equal to 2, k equal to 0, then cos of pi by 2, cos of pi by 8 plus I times pi by 8. Then put the value of k equal to 1. We get this equation, and we know the one formula, cos of pi plus theta is pi minus sin theta. Then substitute it. We get cos of pi by 2. We get minus of sin pi by 8 plus I times cos of pi by 8. For z equal to 2, k equal to 2, cos of pi plus pi by 8 plus I times sin of pi plus pi by 8. We get cos of pi by 8 minus I times sin of pi by 8. Then again calculate the value for k equal to 3, cos of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 8 plus I times sin of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 8. We get sin of pi by 8 plus I times cos of pi by 8. We have to calculate the value and up to n minus 1, and here n is 4, so n minus 1 means n minus 1 equal to 3. So we calculated the 3 values. Thank you.